Hello, welcome back to Initial Speed. So, we're doing this Beetle series, and I don't know if you remember the wheels that I picked up. You might want to go back and check that out if you haven't seen it. Let's see what they look like with some rubber on them. On the car. Alright, down below, let us know what you think of the wheels on the car. Man, was it a chore, but I'll save you the details. Just enjoy the way she looks. Let's get into this.